Today, Saturday, January 31st, I'm at 180 East Sunrise, and we are doing an open house on this lovely rustic 1-bedroom, 1-bath with a loft and a bonus room. Here's an RV hookup. Beautiful, beautiful landscaping. Oleanders, Valentine bushes. Just a nice mix of landscaping. Got the RV hookups right there, main power. And got your water source here. Got me in the shadow. And then under the rocks, that's where the clean out is. Sewer with the RV hookup. A nice large 2-car garage. Yeah. Wash and dryer hookup out here with AC. It's just one big notepad. Into the shop, workshop. Unfinished bathroom, so you can make it your own with a very vintage, very, very vintage vanity. But yeah. So then you've got the main home right there. So again. Mini split. Oh, security. Got security. Nice screen door. Nice kitchen. This. Yeah, we're on a thing right here. So, little warmer. Dishwasher. Nice stainless steel appliances. Okay, so the features here are amazing. You have your nice corner cabinets above. Everything's custom made, you know. Tile countertops, ceramic tile, or porcelain. You have your corner here. Nice big cabinet. But then this, you have a cutlery drawer at your, you know, right there at the stove. Very nice. Very well made. And over here, well, we'll just keep going this way, sorry. And, well, okay, so we have our sign-in book. We have our fresh start giveaway basket because every day is a fresh start. And then we have our snacks, you know, just some meat and chips and sweets, of course. You know, who doesn't love their sweets? I don't, but who doesn't? Then we have the details. It's the little details. So this home is giving like rustic Alaskan, you know, northern cooler area. You know, with the feminine touch. Hello. Custom, just, you know, just nice large corner shower. Nice large bathroom, really. Custom made doors. We go into the bedroom. It is a 1 bedroom, 1.5 baths. The half a bath being the other in the shop, you know. So we got a ceiling fan, you know. Gotta have that in the summertime. Nice large closet, so it's pretty deep as far as you know, like you can walk in it, right? Okay. It's got the nice shelves on top. In my shadow, of course. But yeah, nice and deep. You know. This nicely. Let's do that. They just glide really nicely. Okay. So now we can go over here. So as we come, you know, from the south end of the living room, you got, you know, wide open floor plan. You got the bedroom over here. You got the bathroom over here. Got a nice, you know, cabinet and drawers over there. Dining room area right here. And then the kitchen, of course. And then we have over here, I don't know if I showed you the pantry. Of course I am using it for the open house, but it's a nice, an extra shelf up there. A really nice pantry, deep shelves. And then we have the bonus room. Now, this is not the laundry room. Could it be? You could convert it, sure. But the laundry room is out in the garage where I showed you the utility hookups. This houses the on-demand water and the filter system. Okay. And I wish I had a ladder, but I don't. Because up there is the loft. And so I imagine, you know, imagine somebody could make permanent steps or a drop down or something. But right now, there's not. But there's a nice loft up there. The mini split? There is a mini split. Okay, that concludes our tour.